Now, ordinal numbers can be written in two ways. It can be numbers and words. Example. First, F-I-R-S-T. First. Second, S-E-C-O-N-D. Second. Third, T-H-I-R-D. Third. Fourth, F-O-U-R-T-H. Fourth. Fifth, F-I-F-T-H. Fifth. Sixth, S-I-X-T-H. Sixth. Seventh, S-E-V-E-N-T-H. Seventh. Eighth, E-I-G-H-T-H. Eighth. Ninth, N-I-N-T-H. Ninth. Tenth, T-E-N-T-H. Tenth. So these are or those are ordinal numbers. Now let's apply these ordinal numbers. So look at the pictures of these animals. Name the animals according to its ranking or position. Can you name what are the different animals in the set? Yes. So they are lion, elephant, rabbit, cow, monkey, snake, goat, bear, bird, and dog. So I will give you time to answer this. Okay? Okay. Let's try to find out what's the answer. Okay. Which animal is the first? Yes, lion. Lion is the first in the set. How about which animal is the eighth? Bear. The bear is the eighth in the set. How about number 3? Which animal is the seventh? Yes, goat. How about number 4? Which animal is the second? Yes, elephant. Elephant is the second in the set. How about number 5? Which animal is the sixth? Yes, it is the snake. The snake is the sixth in the set. Number 6. Which animal is the third? Yes, rabbit. Rabbit is the third in the set. Number 7. Which animal is the 10th? Dog. Very good. So the dog is the 10th in the set. How about number 8? The ninth. The ninth, yes, it is the bird. The bird is the ninth in the set. How about number 9? The fourth animal. Yes, cow. The cow is the fourth in the set. How about the fifth? Which animal is the fifth? Yes, the monkey. The monkey is the fifth in the set. Does all of you get the perfect score? Or you got it right?